Hey guys, today we're going to be doing an unboxing of some items in this box. Had a request from the sender, Justin, to make a video over what's inside of this box that he sent me. So a huge thank you to Justin. Be sure to check out his channel, it'll be linked in the description. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and get right into this. So let's go ahead and just cut it open here. Make sure there's no personal information anywhere. That's awesome. Justin, nice look. Very super early Christmas. That's awesome. I'm gonna keep that. Thank you. Let me put this over here. Alright, so let's see what goodies await inside. We got some comics, some newspaper. No, I'm just kidding. So first thing we have is, I think this is a Dover chime. Yeah, this is I believe it's a Dover chime. I think that's what he said it was. This will be fun to wire up. So let's see, I'll put all the items over here and then we'll look at them all when I'm done here. So it's going to open all the paper to make sure you didn't sneak anything in there. Let's see. Here we have something. It's a button of some sort. I think it's a button. Cool. It looks like a button. Yeah, I see the contacts on it. I'll have to figure out how that works. Let's see, what's in here? Anything? Oh, no. Let's see. Lots of paper. Let's see. Here we have a number 3 braille. Another number 3 braille. And we got this little bag of stuff. Oh wow, you threw some more stuff in here. Let's look inside this little baggie here. So we've got. Wow, this was nice. Wow, there's a lot of stuff in here. We got this. Looks like one of the emergency buttons, like the red press emergency stops. It looks like, I don't think it presses. I think it's just the button. But this is one of the ones you'd push it in to stop, and you turn it, and it would pop back out. This here is this is what I need to fix my Dover button, my Dover impulse. So thank you for this. This saves me a lot of time having to 3D print a new part. Here we have a relay. I believe this is Montgomery relay. And this looks like a manual. You can press this to activate it manually. So there's a little button you can manually. And that is a huge amount of prongs for a relay. That's cool, Montgomery relay. Oh, nice micro switch. Yeah, you said you were going to put some of these in here. Thanks for these too, because I do need some more micro switches. Looks like the bottom's broken off a little bit, but I can solder to that, so this will work. That's a really easy one to press too. And this is actually a micro switch branded switch too. You can see it says micro switch. I think there's 2 of those. Yeah, here's another one. This one is not a micro switch branded, but it'll be easier to attach wires to. So that is very helpful. Thank you for that. Here is some sort of switch. Oh, this is a really useful switch because this can be wired up to make a motor run, 2-direction motor. So this is pretty awesome. This switch here, this is cool. Let's see, we got a little number 3. I believe you said this was innovation, little 3 innovation. And I think this is old Dover. Is this? Yeah, I think this is the old Dover contact here. I've never actually seen one of these before. Huh, that's interesting. I've never actually seen one of these before, like actually how big they are. They're pretty big. And this is a micro switch branded button here too, so that's pretty awesome. This is cool. I may try to make one of my Dover buttons work like that. So that's all that's in that bag, and yet there's more. Okay, so this is an Otis Pin, and it has an elevator in it. It got stuck. There we go. Look at that. That is cool. It's got an elevator in a pen. I've never seen this before. I've never seen these pens before. That is, oh my gosh. I'm gonna be messing with that at school probably. I have an elevator in my pen. This here is a bell. I think this is from I think this was one from a phone. I think this is a phone bell. I think that's what you said it was. So that'll be awesome. I'll definitely make that work. Ugh. Oh wow, a limit switch. Oh, this is cool. I gotta look at this. Hang on, I'm gonna look at this a little bit. But it's a limit switch. That is awesome. Cool. This was really nice of you to send all this stuff, by the way. This is really cool. I mean, this is like it basically is like a Christmas. This is innovation switch. There's no key switch in here, but this is just the actual switch bit, which is good. I could either try to make my own key switch, or I could just use this as a part in case one of mine breaks. So this is really nice. This is nice. What do we have here? We have some plate. I think this is a motor plate. So there's a plate on a motor. AC induction motor. That's pretty awesome. That is cool. I've never heard of that brand before. Oh, wow. Now this is sweet. This Westinghouse logo. Wow, that is nice. I've never actually seen this logo before. Except for, you know, obviously here, but I've never actually seen this on an elevator. That is, man, this is a never-ending box. Jeez, this is awesome. Oh, I heard something fall in there. That's why I'm opening up all these pieces of paper, because there might be something inside. So there's a washer. I see a washer in here. Not really sure what that goes to. We'll find out. Oh, what's this? Oh, whoa! Oh yeah, it's a bell. Cool. Wait, which way does it go? Cool. I forget what bell you said this was, what type. This is awesome. Cool, another elevator bell. I love elevator bells too. Let's see, this is, there's nothing in here. Let's see. So we got this piece of metal. Not really sure what that goes to. I'll probably figure all this out once I unbox the whole thing. Let's see, what's this? Oh, whoa. S, and they're stuck together. I guess they're supposed to be in the package. Yeah, S and B for basement. Basement and street, I guess. I don't know. These are cool. These are nice brails. I think these are new. Those are cool. This is, wow, this is amazing. This is a never-ending box. Let's see, what's this? Oh, there's a 4. The 4th floor. Wow, lots of brails. This is a never-ending box. Wow. Let's see. Nothing in there. Let's see. Here we have a Hollister Whitney brake. This is cool. It looks like it's a sticker. Let's see what else we got in here. Oh, here's something. There's a button. I wonder if, wait a minute, does this go with this? Does this go in here, like this? Oh, yeah. I'm guessing that goes in there. That looks like what would go in there. I'll have to figure out, I'll have to see what all this stuff, all these little stray pieces go to. There's like pieces all around the box. This is pretty sweet. I'll have to open this up. I'll open this up down there, but this is a Dover like schematic, and this is pretty sweet. I'll open this up and show you guys this on the floor here in just a second. I'm really excited to see what that looks like. And what's this? Oh, hang on. I forgot about this. Oh, wow. Local fire alarm station. Yeah, this is the one where you pull it and it breaks the glass, and it somehow sets it off, I guess. Huh, that's cool. But yeah, that's cool. That's the only fire alarm I have. A screw. And this, I think, is a plate. Oh, wow. Wow, look at this. This is cool. This is a nice piece too. It's got some adhesive on there, which we can clean that up very nicely. But wow, this is cool. I think that's all that's in here. Wow. Let me take the camera off the tripod. So yeah, this is all the stuff that was in that box. This really is like early Christmas. I mean, Justin, thank you so much for all this stuff. This is really awesome. This stuff is amazing. And like I promised, we're gonna unfold this onto the floor. Let's go ahead and do that. Well, it went over there, but we'll pull it over here. So this here, Dover Elevator Systems. This is a wiring diagram, I think. This is really cool. I'm probably gonna just look at this thing and just like study it, just really see how it all works. This is pretty cool. You see there's the emergency lighting, here's the car station, emergency stop, alarm, independent. You can just see all this stuff, inspection, tells you what color wire. Like there's the, this is really neat. Symbols and notes. There's the photo eyes, the phone, safety edge. You can just see, this is really sweet. This might be a new poster on my wall. And we'll go ahead and lay all this stuff out here, and we'll, we lost the 4. Let's go ahead and lay all this stuff out here, and we'll take a look at it all. I mean, again, thank you so much, Justin, for all this stuff. This is pretty awesome. Like, this is really cool. This is some neat stuff, and I'm looking forward to making use of a lot of it. So, anyway, guys, so that concludes today's unboxing video. Like I said, thank you, Justin, again, for all this stuff. His channel will be linked down below. Make sure you go check it out. And anyway, so thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys later.